And we are
back.
It's been a while. As I said, like in the last previous Resident Evil 5 Let's Play, I was like, let's try Mercenaries, and we never fucking did. So, better late than never, eh? So, obviously, in this edition, we'll just do the public assembly for a couple of rounds. As you can see, we've done a few of these already. We just did a warm-up where I was a GLBS8. As you can tell, we are super cool at this game. We are super fucking sick.
I was playing a Shiver in a Red Riding Hood attire.
So yeah, this is a Mercenaries Mode, basically. Obviously, if you've played Mercenaries before in other games, I'd personally say this is probably the best Mercenaries of all time. In terms of nostalgia, anyway. There's not. I've tried Resident Evil 4 remake. It's good, but like I prefer it with someone to that. It's so much more fun. But yeah, Resident Evil 5 remake. Not remake. Resident Evil 5 remake is potentially on the horizon. So who fucking knows? Who should I play as, Taylor?
I was thinking for a funny little starter, what if you played as either Wesker or Axella?
Axella's fucking OP as shit. But also so is Albert Wesker. I'll play as Axella. Axella love a little bitch slaps and stuff. Right, ready up? Ready up, right. Oh, so hopefully you enjoy this. I would suggest if you are playing, this is a good way to get points. Because if you upgrade all the weapons all the way, you can use the points to get infinite ammo. Easy way of doing it, rather than just doing the same level over and over again. That's what we did anyway. When last left off, we got literally everything apart. No, we did everything. Alright, cheers. We did literally everything. We got the infinite rocket launcher. That was a fucking fun time. Obviously, I think I've worked on recording, so this one's gonna look a lot better. And it'll be in sync as well, hopefully. But you never know with my recording. I could look back on this and like, oh, by the way, Kyle just said a racial slur or something. I don't know, potentially, I don't know. Anyway, let's get started before I say something fucking dumb.
You always say something fucking
Thanks
dumb.
for that. Thanks for that. You didn't have to say that, but you know. So what we'll do is we'll do what you usually do. And we'll go for the timers and shit first.
Yeah. I was gonna say I like to move.
Alright, so every character's got their own other loadout and stuff. So with Axella, she's got the M93R, which is probably the most OP handgun in this game mode. I'll play this after we beat the game, you know, off camera. Oh. Bitch. Come here, you fucking bitch. Bitch. I fucking love Axella's fucking
Bitch slap.
honestly, like
We always call it the bitch slap.
But yeah, I was thinking of obviously we've just done the time splitters let's play. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We enjoyed playing it for the most part.
Most of the levels were painful, so
Yeah,
at
it's
least.
very painful, more painful than I thought. I was like, oh, this game's gonna be fucking great to let's play. Oh, Kyle's angry again. I'm close to a rage compilation soon. That'll be an interesting one.
You actually are, that's the funny part.
Nice.
Bonk!
There we go.
I love that roundhouse kick. Hello!
I could have been a dick there and shot that barrel on you, but I didn't because I'm a nice person. Oh, there
I'll
we
probably
go.
give those to you.
There we go.
So
Chicken.
whilst we were doing our little warm up, so I'm saying I'm a little bit rusty around this. So I thought let's do a little bit of a warm up so that I get the idea on the controls and. One of these enemies like threw their little what is it called, like a sickle or something?
Something like
And I actually shot the sickle without really thinking. I was like, dude,
just casually John Wick someone.
hello.
There we go. We're doing the reload trick again. There we go. Oh, nice to just there.
Yeah, I've just done it now.
Yeah, this public assembly is definitely my favourite. You know, my favourite Mercenaries level of all time. Behind you.
Ooh, let me twat him first.
The aim of this is to get the highest score possible. So you've got best way of doing it is just getting the combo times, shotgun shells over here, and just get the highest combo possible. At certain points, there'll be like a boss enemy coming round. So in this one, it's the executioner, the guy with the massive axe. But in like later levels, it's like fucking lickers, like fucking 20 of them.
Which they tend to like to hang around me for some
They can
reason.
fucking insta kill you, by the way. If I'm stupid enough, which will happen, they can insta kill you if they grab you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah. I've always wanted to like do this on recording. Oh, fuck.
You have a lovely singing voice when you're in a bit of a pickle.
Oh, pickle. Oh,
Pickle
oh,
Rick.
oh, no.
What?
One of those fucking like gaping mouth motherfuckers like spawned in these. Oh, behind you. 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 Behind you. Behind you.
Oh shit, I missed. There we go.
Oh.
You have a congregation over here. What the fuck
I
are
wanted
you
to shoot
doing?
my leg, but it didn't fucking work. Come here, bitch. Humiliate. Oh.
I did not want to pick that up, but you know what? I
Oh,
don't really
pickle
give a shit.
Rick. What
You know
shot
what?
the
Let's
I pressed
throw
wrong
an
button.
egg.
I pressed.
Yes, I got it.
Oh fuck! I got fucking pounded.
I just threw a rotten egg at her.
Yeah, rotten eggs do a lot. Rotten eggs do a lot of fucking damage in this game.
They're practically an insta kill, aren't they?
Yeah, the same in Resident Evil remake 4. Remake. One of the bosses can kill like. There you go. The COVID vaccine. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh no, no.
Did you
no.
inject him with the exploding juice?
No.
No.
No. I want no fucking inventory.
Oh god, I didn't want to pick them up.
Help me! I'm under the water. Oh, shit.
I didn't expect that to actually blow me up.
There's a lot of fucking round things around here, by the way.
No.
Oh
no.
shit! Oh shit!
Oh shit.
There we go. There we go. You can fuck up yourself. Get round here, mate. There's an execution due very soon, I believe.
Do you need acid rounds?
I need any sort of rounds. I've got fucking. I've got no ammo. I've got shotgun shells up the arse, but nothing for me. See me?
There you
There we go. Oh, what the fuck?
Bonk! Oh dear. Let me eat a golden egg first. Right,
Acid.
I'll get to
Acid.
throw an ass.
Help me! Help me! Acid rounds are fucking wank. Absolutely fucking wank. Alright.
I see him.
Boom. 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 Don't really punch, by the way. I'm not sure if this actually works or not. Probably should do. I'll fucking get rid of that. Very quick. Get rid of them. Yes, ammo. I need that. Fuck
Jesus
off.
Christ. Remember when we used to play this when we're not recording and I never got shotgun ammo? Here I am, practically reeking with shotgun ammo.
40 foot. What? I've got no ammo. You fucked us. Get the fuck out. More shotgun shells.
Now you know how I fucking felt.
I want ammo too. Oh, but yeah, let us know in the comments what your actual favourite character of Mercenaries is. Because I'd be interested in finding out what people actually like. I like Excella nowadays. When I was younger, I liked zebra print Chris, the zebra suit he wears.
Oh yeah.
I thought when I was younger that alternate costume was one of the fucking sickest things ever. Now I'm like, what the fuck was I thinking? That's a fucking wank costume. Oh! I thought it was Resident Evil fucking 4 remake. I tried parrying that. Fucking
He's
bonky
trying to
donkey.
give me the forbidden kiss.
I literally gave. Oh no! Tender, I need your magnum.
No.
I need your magnum. Alright, by the way, 4 more bullets for you.
Cheers.
Fuck, I missed. Fuck! Hello? Thank you. Sorry, I had to flashbang myself.
Flashbang my fucking ears.
Great. Right in the balls. Right in the balls. Oh, why am I doing that? Why am I in the corner? Literally it's bubbling up to explode. I'm just like, you know what? Everything is okay. Fuck yourself, bitch. I have got no ammo. But it's okay. I'm gonna wander around this place. I'm gonna go for an adventure. No. Hold that. Oh.
Uh-oh.
I got him. I got him. I got him. Alright.
I just met that. Oh, there's handgun ammo.
I'm gonna. Yep.
There's electric rounds here.
I don't want them. Flash rounds what I need. I'm gonna fucking use this now, actually. Use one of your healing items now. And you! I've got no ammo again. Hand grenade. Help me!
You fuck off.
Fucking bitch.
Oh, that's really used.
Egg! Missed it!
How dare you miss the forbidden egg?
Oh, get off my titties!
Jesus Christ, it's like I ran out of magnum ammo, no! Ah!
Oh no, it's not like you haven't got fucking ammo up the fucking ass anyway. You're having a fucking laugh.
I think I'm gonna probably turn down my, oh, there's fucking another one behind us.
Oh god. I love how, like, whenever we play this, I'm under fucking flash grenades. I have to have flash grenades. I'm gonna like, yeah, no, if I say better, I need that anyway.
There's magnum.
Oh, stop grabbing me! You've got 68 bullets. Bro, I have not seen 68 bullets for my guns in the entire game.
Can I give you can I give you this healing spray?
Yes, give me anything. I need the inventory too, so I've got fucking jack shit. Above here. No, get rid of that one.
No, I've got magnum
What's that?
ammo.
Missing someone. Someone's missing. Not one.
It's definitely not in the.
I can hear gunfire. I'm almost
You
there.
motherfucker. There's some noise on this. Look above. Is it above or not?
That's what I'm on the scene. I'm gonna see if.
Oh, you motherfucker. You little prick. I don't know where he is.
I can't see shit either.
Where is he? There he is. No, no idea where he is. That must be the last guy then.
You make quite a team.
Yeah, we do. 76 shotgun shells? What? Hello? What? You having a fucking laugh?
To think that when we used to play this, I would never get shotgun ammo.
On camera? Utterly. I heard shotgun. That's the only thing that's fucking spawning. What do I get? I get a grenade and some acid. No. Give me 18 acid rounds. That's it. The most ammo I had was at the beginning in like 5 seconds. I used my ammo. I was like, nah, I'm done with you, Chief. Then dropped fucking 20 grenades, but not one bullet for me. I didn't see machine gun ammo once. Once. My machine gun was...
To be fair, I hardly saw machine gun ammo as well, but I had a shit ton of fucking shotgun ammo, which is something I never would have thought I'd see in any lifetime.
Oh, fucking hell. Right, let's well, who should I play as then? Because you're not changing your character, are you?
No. I love playing as Shiva.
Who should I play then?
I think you should play as. I was thinking either, you know the Chris Redfield that way has that Hydra.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah, him, or because I quite like watching you play as Albert Wesker. I think he also has the Hydra.
You shall give me an egg. Let's see.
Do you know why I can't? I think you know full well what I'm going to be on about here. I can never take Albert Wesker seriously because there's a video that me and Carl used to love watching where it was like these outtakes.
Yeah.
With his voice actor.
I know exactly what you're about.
George Bush will be released to the atmosphere.
I have
Big balls. Global penetration.
complete global
Saturation.
masturbation.
Complete global saturation.
Right. Let's go. Right.
You will give me an egg.
You will give me an egg. It's just like this. You can play as him in Resident Evil 4 Remake, and he's also really fucking ridiculously OP in that as well. So do you know how like every character in that game like blocks with a knife? You
Yeah.
parry things with a knife. Do you know what he parries with? His fucking fists.
I was probably just about to actually say I bet he parries with his fist.
Resident Evil 4 Remake, you have like special abilities as well. These characters. He just like, I'm just gonna punch the fuck out of you. It's like you just Marvel vs. Capcom's you.
Position now.
Do you know what I still call him it to this day, but I refer to him as Whiskers. I don't know why, when I was younger I would always refer to him as Whiskers because that's what his second name sounded like. And now it kind of just stuck to the point where I'm
Fuck! I pressed one button.
It's got to the point where I'm constantly calling him Whiskers.
I was like, yes, that's so kill things. Okay, right, okay.
You shit.
You're shit.
Get the fuck away from the door frame.
I saw a video. It's like I love Albert Wesker's move names. He's got the Cobra Strike, the fucking Mystic, fucking this one.
Oh, I've got some handgun ammo for you.
Boosh! Sorry. Crescent Moon.
Impale. I love her dual fang.
Oh. Fucking bitch. So
Oh bollocks! I did not realise that I would aim in my direction. You're shit.
Oh shit.
You're shit.
This is the best song that ever existed. So basically we're gonna go to the middle after I've got all these timers and just fucking go ham out one.
Yeah.
I forgot to fucking do the knee strike. Because you can run like that and do a knee strike. Mustang kick! Bitch! Thing is, why not Weston do like just do all these fucking missions himself?
No.
Hello. Oh,
Stay.
oh
There
it
you go.
looks like I am staying, look at this!
No.
I love the Samurai Edge. It's such a fucking lovely gun.
I will agree.
Bitch. No!
Well, that's one way of saving my ass.
Get out. Hang on. You didn't get the time up there.
He has so much fucking aggression when he does it.
Right, so I'm gonna get this time up here. Bitch. Oh!
Like, bro, chill out, dude.
Right, careful, the execution might be coming at a moment, and we'll get the combo time.
Ow.
Taylor, kill shit, please.
Uh,
Kill things!
say no more. Okay.
Got him. Got him.
Oh, there's handgun ammo down here.
Bitch. Shot in the ass.
Just nominate.
Where's this chicken at? There's chicken's here somewhere. This will be interesting.
Just casually, Albert Wesker casually bullies a chicken.
Bullet in the fucking massacre it! Is it now? No! How the fuck does it stop aiming and just go in the menus?
And now because we're both playing as people
Go.
who I'll give you this with shotgun ammo. Now I see no shotgun ammo anywhere.
Egg. I killed the what you call it, the chicken. Yeah. I thought that was a missing last time. Because in the original game, do you know where you are now? That's where the chicken is. But in the Mercenaries Union, they changed it so like that's not the case. No fucking fuck. I don't trust this. This is very quiet, oddly quiet.
Behind us.
Have a thing. Magnum ammo right here.
Has the executioner arrived
Hello?
yet?
Hello? Pillar? Pillar behind us.
Oh, well, never fucking mind.
I'm taking that magnum ammo.
Jesus. Right, you get the fucking shotgun for that. Shit. I've seen no shotgun ammo at all.
That's all mine.
Don't you get up. You have no right getting up.
There we go.
Oh, she fucking did it. Stay down, bitch.
Hello?
Handgun ammo here.
I love how like one of
There we go, shotgun shells.
machine gun ammo, yes!
As if you need it.
Fuck's sake, I keep on getting the wrong fucking gun out. Alright, kill shit. Combo time. Combo time.
You don't.
Hold that. Wrong gun again.
Oh!
Whoa. Come on! Come on!
Come on.
Chomper. Big chompy. Nice one.
Oh no. There's a rotten egg over here.
I'm a rotten egg.
Right around there. Hello.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Right,
There's 2 rotten eggs.
excuse me, I'm aiming here.
What the fuck is... The executioner literally just went through that door just to burst through the fucking wall.
Got him.
Get the fuck off me! Right.
Oh.
Now they're all grabbing us like fucking pinatas. Dickhead behind you.
And you.
I just kicked the air.
No, not. That's it. Fucking shit. I cannot see.
I'm legally blind.
Oh, you fucking nonce. Shotgun ammo behind you.
Oh.
I want to take one. No, that's what it says. Break on that. Interest to assist me. Shiver, I'm gonna come. Fuck you, Shiver. I hate you. Yeah.
Why do you sound like fucking Squidward?
Global saturation, SpongeBob. Oh, shit. Tell her.
I'm sorry, I was taking care of the fucking executioner.
Behind us, run forwards. There's another one.
Fuck!
I'm taking that. Drop some shells. Fuck yourself.
Oh no, I didn't do the fucking... Eat an egg!
An egg. I'm not very good at Western, unfortunately. I don't think. I'm scared.
You're probably not, probably a bit rusty with them. Everything just goes flying.
Rusty breaks the entire world around.
Ow!
Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh no, Wesker just eating an egg casually sounds fucking hilarious to me.
It was in your best interest to assist me.
Your best interest to give me an egg.
Oh god. Hello.
Fuck.
Uh-oh. We've got 2 chompers.
Bottom chompers I need an
No.
egg.
Fuck off.
Give me your egg.
There's a Kyle, are you seeing this?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it.
You dumb, stupid cunt.
Wait! Wait! I have an egg!
Just throw a rotten egg at it.
Grenade! Grenade! Yeah, I killed him. I killed him. Oh no. Fucking.
Jesus Christ. Major!
Come on.
Oh no.
Oh,
Why are we having issues?
oh shit! I've got to run!
Why did Wesker sound like he's taking a shit?
Oh.
Don't you dare. Ah! Excuse me. Bitch.
Die please, die please, die please, die please, die please, die please, thank you. Flash grenade! Oh, I nearly discarded my magnum, don't want to do that.
This fucking thing, Major.
Just following Escalade, I'm your biggest fan.
Say please, I have a bottle of whiskey for you.
Please. Please, I have a goldfish. Why have I got so much fucking machine gun ammo?
Maybe because the game thought you needed it?
Not piping me
There
down,
we go.
boy.
I can hear gunfire. I'm almost there.
Motherfucker. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? He's like, no, no. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What, SS for that?
Yes.
Not surprised. What? Hell no.
Oh hell no.
That was kind of fun actually. I like that.
Yeah, that were funny.
I thought, I swear we did alright in that one. Yeah, that was pretty good. Should play as Wesker more often. Fucking hell. Right. Okay. Who am I playing as now, Taylor? Who do I play as?
I would say play as your favourite.
My favourite? I don't know. Fuck me.
You like Barry.
Is that you trying to say you want to play as Barry?
You like playing as Barry, so.
Fucking Barry Burton's fucking funny. One of his moves is a Barry sandwich. Right, this means I might have to like get rid of my this is gonna go one of two ways. You know that, right? I'm either gonna get loads of magnum ammo, or you're gonna get loads of handgun ammo.
I know full well the latter.
Do you know what? I will.
I know full well that I'm going to.
I might keep the
Gonna
sniper
quickly have a
rifle.
little drink.
I'll keep the sniper rifle actually.
Especially if we need any of the last fucking enemies
That's
that are
true.
high
So.
up.
Barry Baton. Barry Baton. It's a baton.
Every time I hear the word Barry, I just got the fucking name Barry B. Benson in my fucking head.
You like jazz?
I like jazz. I like.
Barry should have been a Tekken character, or a character in Smash Brothers. Take a look at this. This is
Jill sandwich.
Oh, Jill, you're a sarnie. Resident Evil, but it's Yorkshire. Oh, you're a sarnie, love. Oh, I need to put you in a little sarnie.
Many enemies as possible.
Okay, let's go.
Goodness me.
Come on. I said, come here, Barry.
I think he did.
Why is he talking to himself in third person?
I have no idea.
Careful. This Barry's like fucking like 58 and he's like, "Whoa!" He's like, "Ugh." There's one where like, I think his headbutt is like an instant kill. He's got the hardest crane in the fucking franchise. This one, bip! Cranium. Barry sandwich!
Oh, I forgot that was the timer.
I'm a Barry sandwich. Barry Sarnie. Barry Sandwich. It is me, Barry Sandwich.
I'm picking up a couple of rifle ammo for you.
Cheers. Hello. My aim's shit. You're not dead. It don't matter. Find you. Missed it. Got him.
Oh, nice one.
Oh, shot her right in the fucking clunge. Oh, you fucked up now, were you? Stupid bitch. What is this? Just shoots an unarmed woman.
You were not supposed to get up.
This is America.
The funny part of what was is that I got that in my head now. It's like, this is America.
Oh shit, the fucking chickens here.
But yeah.
Got it!
You know, since you mentioned fucking Fear and Hunger, I cannot stop watching.
Oh yeah,
that
I mean, do you like when you're on YouTube, like, oh, Fear and Hunger's fucking nice. It's like, well, not nice, it's not a nice game. That's I don't
Oh,
endorse.
the law ain't fucking nice either.
I don't endorse child labour. Whatever the fuck, you know what I mean?
All I'm finding is rifle ammo.
Thank you.
Where's your ass?
I'm over here.
Yay, fucking...
Do you know there's a combo going? You let a combo fucking go.
You suck my cock, how about that?
What's
How
it?
about-
Mercenaries Taylor. This is you. Bitch. I'm gonna shoot with a fucking 50 caliber Magnum. I'll find fun.
Shotgun ammo.
I've got shotgun ammo on me for.
Bonk! Look at me.
Come on! Got him. Got him. Got him. Got
That
him.
rifle is
Got
a
him.
insta-kill.
No. It's just powerful. I could have got a
Oh, you got
reductive
a piece of shit over here. Oh, you know what? Just die.
No.
Thank you. Shotgun shells.
Oh, fuck. Help me. Help me.
Help me, I'm under the water.
Help me. I am under the water.
So, when does the executioner come again? I could never keep track.
I'm not too sure. I'm guessing like now. Wait, I thought I heard something. Yeah, I was here.
Oh, why is it every time I mention the fucking executioner, he just turns up?
There we go. That was nice.
Fucker.
Just fucking fucked his ass up.
Ah? Get on.
Ugh. Missed it.
Oops, wrong button.
Wrong button.
Wrong button.
Gave me some adrenaline. I mean, hell with. Oh fuck. I don't condone heroin. Barry sandwich.
Uh-oh. Bonk.
Barry sandwich. Taylor, I hit him with a Barry sandwich.
Good.
Are you proud of me? I'm a Barry sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know? I'm gay.
We fell. Here, have 2 bullets.
Thanks for the 2 bullets. I'm sure that's gonna kill sweet FA.
Wait, fucking, he fell funny.
Hello.
But
Kiss
did
it.
they work there?
That's handing on that one. There we go.
Hello. Goodbye.
Hello. Yeah. Give me your fucking lunch money. Break. No.
Behind you.
Barry sandwich. It's alright, hit him with a Barry sandwich, that'll get me. That's such a fucking weird name. Barry sandwich. Hello!
Ah! I did not fucking see him there.
What is this? Oh
shit.
no.
Eat the egg, you fucking whore.
You will give me an egg? No.
Fuck me.
I had a fucking flashlight that time.
Ow. Oh my I was shooting him! We need to fucking run.
We need to leave. Get the hell out of here. Oh, ammo. Get the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here!
What?
Cracking egg.
Headbutt.
Honestly.
Headbutt. Headbutt.
Roundhouse.
Roundhouse. Roundhouse.
Yeah! Oh my fucking god!
Is there another one?
Magnum ammo.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh, hello, help me! You will go on it, run.
Ah. Although we had a lot better experience with the fucking warm up, but the moment we're recording, we're automatically fucked. I just saved your ass.
Oh, have you? Yeah.
Yeah, you literally just got to get grabbed by that thing.
Who's this?
Little old chomper dead. Nah, you are fucking sneaking up on me again.
He got his fucking. Ooh! Got a shit rocked on that one.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Taking no chances nowadays. Oh, my hair. Oh. That's wrong one.
I just showed no mercy to that fucking dude. He was stood near that barrel and I shot it.
Kick his ass.
I thought fucking shotgun ammo, but
Oh, hello. Bye.
bye, have a good time.
Oh.
Ah, get off me.
Bitch, 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 bitch.
Oh,
yeah, we need to get out of here.
yeah. Shoot that barrel.
Shoot the barrel. Barrel Dixon. Oh, ow. You motherfucker.
Fat freaks.
Excuse me.
We are having issues.
Oh. Don't I net an egg, it's alright. Is there an excuse for killing?
Oh. You bastard.
I'm gay.
I'm gay.
Oh, you are sucking my wee wee.
Uh-oh. No.
I'm shooting your sack, bro.
That's a sentence I've never thought I'd hear you say.
I'm shooting his sack, but it's not working.
Oh!
Whatever. Grenade. Loser.
Ah! You fucking prick.
You little bitch. Hello? Hey! Buddy!
Sweet!
We just fist bumped and she's got a lot of fucking spiky rings, so she's fucking stabbed me.
Good. SS 4 times in a row.
It's because we are what I like to call fucking sick.
Sick.
Sick boy. Do you do one more? Do I stop there?
I think we'll do one more. Fuck it. Why not?
One more coming up. Well, that was an eventful one. Right, who am I playing as?
Hold on, I've got to add a bit of burp there. I would say play as I forgot her name, Rebecca.
So Rebecca starts with a fuck ton of ammo. So from the sounds of it, I'm going to be giving Taylor most of my ammo.
Well, that's if we're not.
She has So what she's got another insta kill move where she like fucking sets them on fire. Rebecca Chambers,
She'll put you in a chamber of fire.
the forever box is where you're going. Look at Rebecca's eyes. That's when you know you're fucking dead. You're gone. Right. So
We all know that I won't be changing character because this is my main character, and mainly due to the fact that I probably won't be good at anyone else. So
I mean, as long as someone's got a magnum and a shotgun, right? I'd say you'd be good at that. You'd be good with.
there we go.
You'd be good with Wesker, realistically.
I don't know how to do that really cool move he does.
You click both sticks together.
What these two?
Yeah, you know, if you click those two buttons together, you taunt, but with Wesker, you fucking just sprint.
Huh.
But my favourite character in this has got to be Excella, I'd say. Rebecca's not my favourite, but you know. There's no like real bad character realistically. You can play as any character in this. But I like playing as.
I'm in a chopper headed to your position now.
So she starts with like 400 machine gun rounds and like 70 shotgun shells. So if you come.
You'll get a special bonus
So
if you defeat
yeah, I've got 70 shotgun shells. Careful behind you, Sally. There's a chest behind you. Don't miss that chest. What that is?
Another timer?
No, it's combat time. You get extra points for killing stuff. You tell me you didn't notice that.
To be honest with you, I kind of forgotten.
High for gore.
What we were.
Can you enjoy Resident Evil 8?
Oh my god, I don't have this.
So, here's my gripes with like Resident Evil 8's fucking Mercenaries, right? It's based on like where you go. For example, you would go to a different area, and like you get different enemies or whatever. They spawn at certain times, which means like you can't get all the enemies unless you do a set route. Stop grabbing me, you little nyons.
I don't like the way she sounds. She sounds like a typical fucking Japanese schoolgirl.
And what's wrong with being a Japanese schoolgirl at all?
They just make
So you
very,
forget
they
when-
make questionable sounds.
Sugoi.
No. Oh,
Gotcha.
three fucking headshots.
I don't know how I got off in this angle. You know. Bitch. You get all the timers in the building, did you?
I'll be getting the other one out my way. Out my way. I'll be getting the
Yeah.
timer from at the end.
Prick. So I've got a fuck ton of shotgun shells. You want it?
For the time being,
Flame spray.
For the time being, move, stupid cunt.
Flame spray. You're right.
I just shot a woman.
This shit.
What I meant was, I shot a woman into those things, and all the fucking things started ragdolling everywhere.
Kill things. Kill things.
Ooh,
Kill things. Behind you. What the executioners do, I think. Such a hard line to say out of context. The executioners do.
Jesus Christ, they're all
I'm
after
going
me
to get closer towards you. In case the executioner doesn't arrive and I'm by myself, like fucking shit, fucking smashed it. Look at my shit right! Yeah, obviously, I said there's never. I've got a few projects coming up. I might do Resident Evil 4 as a Let's Play. If anyone wants to see that, please let me know. If not, I'll just won't make any videos. Flame spray! Pizza haters. Ugh!
I hate those things because they always
Executioner.
come after me.
Executioner. Oh.
Ow! You stupid bitch.
Combo. One more combo. Oh.
Did we both literally just get the shotgun out like, in unison?
It wouldn't be a surprise, would it?
No.
Oh, hello! Hello!
I'm just eating an egg in the fucking...
Thanks
I was actually just about to press help to help you, bro.
for the magnum on my right hand.
I'll check how much magnum am I have. I have quite a bit.
Shotgun shells over here. I don't need them.
Don't you fucking do. I'm full.
Great.
Ow.
He is not dead, by the way. That thing is not dead, by the way. Don't think he's dead, please. Another one. Oh, for fuck's sake. Fucking flame spray. Run, 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 run. Fuck. Oh my god, I needed assistance. There's two of these, there's two of them.
You could have at least let me get far away first.
I didn't think one did. Oh, sorry. One's down.
Alright, I'm hoping that... Yeah,
Egg!
there's so much ammo.
Behind
I just stab a man.
Shotgun queens. Oh no, his face, no.
Oh no.
Tear gas.
Yeah, just... What? How did I miss that shot? Yeah, good dodge, you stupid slut.
Head cracker. Combo. You're having a fucking laugh, aren't you? No. Oh. Look at all the timers. Fix that. Right. There's an execution somewhere, I believe. I'm hearing fucking rumblings. Oh. Yep, it's there. Never say, where's the execution? He's like, hello, you cold? He can dangle him, right?
Yeah, he's dead. That fucking thing.
Flame spray! I love that shot. Rebecca Chambers has an insta-kill move.
Yeah, I just...
Die, bitch. Take no
I got
prisoners.
bloody heartburn.
Take no prisoners. Behind me. Keep that to your fucking self, all that.
Alcoholism is not the answer.
I don't know, it depends. Trying to beat up your family or not.
Shut up, Karen.
Hey! They hit you, not me. Yay.
Stop my ass.
So it's weird that I've actually got ammo.
No, you fucking don't.
You've got to fuck some around here. I was asked for you ammo, I got to see ammo, I was like, nope. Long range
Hello.
shotgun, following.
Uh-oh. You get away from me.
Yeah.
No, he's not.
Ooh, what's love, got to live, got to live. Go. Hello!
Ah! Get off, get off, get off, get off, get off!
Oh! Out lucky there. Insanely lucky there.
Ooh, no! Stupid bitch.
Really cunt. Dead. I wish I was dead.
Hello, I'm here to talk to you about your car's extended warranty.
Rump shaker.
What?
That's what the thing called, rump shaker. Last week, no. Keep your hands to your fucking self.
Got him.
I think we've pretty much secured this, right? Bitch. There's a dude up there, but I don't have any fucking machine gun ammo to get anything. Oh! Oh, you are.
Wait, oh, up here?
Oh, I saved those fucking. Oh, flash grenades, yes.
I can hear gunfire. I'm almost there.
There we go.
Damn, boy.
Damn! Damn! Hold that. Brick. No. No.
Here.
Yes!
Oh, I was gonna say, I was
Get
like,
in.
here, have an egg.
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 Get in there. That's another SS for super sexy.
Yeah. Charles, stop it.
Did it. We did it.
Let's go.
So yeah, that was Public Assembly Mercenaries. We could potentially do more levels if people ask us to. As in like little. There are certain levels that I would not do though. The only fucking liquor's gonna suck my balls actually. I'd rather kill myself. But yeah, that's the Mercenaries mode. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little mess around in the thing. In the little game mode. I've always loved this game mode. If you ever want to play it again on stream or something, I'll be happy to do so. But in the meantime, hopefully you pick up this game, you play the Mercenaries mode for yourself and have a blast. If not, your mum's a hoe. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one, whatever that may be. So, ciao for now.
Bye bye.